Alright guys, so I'm gonna open up the video today and we're gonna do a launch because I'm reckless with the gin and we got this nice 5-speed in here, and you know what they say, these WRXs, their 5-speed transmissions are like glass. I'm just built different. I'm just gonna send it, I guess. And here we go. Oh, sick! That was probably the best thing I've ever done in my entire life. Oh my God, that was insane. Guys, that was insane. Oh my God. We're letting Tasha drive the Bug-Eye WRX. So I think this thing's got like a stage 2 on it or something like that. I don't know, it's got a pretty heavy clutch. We're gonna see how she does with it. What are your first thoughts on this thing? You think you're gonna be able to do it? She's gonna be able to do it because it's okay. We got this. All right, let's show them what you're made of. Let's go. Get it, babe.
I can't do it.
Oh.
I'm scared.
Go, go, go,
I'm
go.
Scared.
You had it.
I can't tell when it's going.
You got it.
I think because it's
go
loud.
ahead. You
it's
got
scary.
it. Wait. Why are you revving it so much?
I don't know what to do. It's different.
It's just like every other car, babe. You drive a manual Jetta.
It's different.
You drive a TDI. Go ahead. Just easy on the gas. It's just like every other car. Go ahead. Just let out the clutch slowly. Easy off the gas. No, let go of the clutch completely. There you go. All right. There we go. Let go of the clutch, babe.
I did.
Oh, God.
I did. See,
Oh, God. All right. All the way to the floor. Second gear. There we go. All right. All right. She's having some difficulties driving the Bug-Eye, but let's go. Shift her into third. All right. All right. Not bad. I'm gonna put on my seatbelt actually.
Oh.
So I don't die.
I don't know how to do all that.
Got it. All right. Let off clutch. You're good. Perfect. Oh, nice. Oh, all right. Gotta put the clutch in a little bit more.
It's hard to tell.
You gotta really push it in. It's heavy. Don't go off the road here. Oh,
I did.
all right. Good thing we're in the Bug-Eye. So yeah, this is her first time driving anything with like a super heavy clutch. So give her some props. Doing good, babe. To the flutter. Oh, all right. Nice.
It's hard to tell when it engages.
It's a hard clutch to learn, but oh, okay. You like the flutter, huh? I hear you like the flutter. Let's go. Let's hear it. Flutter it. Oh.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
You got it. Off the clutch.
The car behind me is giving me anxiety. I have gloves.
Car behind us. Hearing all these turbo noises. What's not to love about that? Oh, she's ripping this thing. You're a ripper, huh? How do you guys think she's doing? Comment down below. What do you think? Should I let her drive it again or not?
Did you see all those downshifts?
Those are quality downshifts, babe. Pretty proud of you. All right, we're gonna have her do a little bit of a launch control thing because she's never done that. So, all right, babe, let her rip. Hold it. You gotta hold it. Do it again. Do it again. Sounds good. How was that for your first launch control?
Cool.
Pretty cool. All right, let's go. I need you to park up over here.
I can't do all that.
Come on, babe. Go ahead. Hold on. Keep going. Go. Come on. Stalled her.
Because it's rolling back, that has the like thing.
The hill assist. No hill assist on this thing. right.
Actually, like I'm confused.
It's like every other car.
Like I drive that car.
She drives the Jetta with the hill assist. She's not used to this thing where you don't have any hill assist.
When you're rolling back and you gas it, right? So
Yeah.
Then what happens after you gas it?
You just gotta keep going.
But you're making that.
Gotta
face,
let the
you're
clutch
like
off.
This. You're like,
Yeah, I'll show you how it's done.
no, I'll do it.
Okay. Let's see it happen. Break her in. Come on, babe. You got it. She couldn't put the car back into the spot here, so I had to do it myself. Is there anything you need to say to the vlog?
Look what I could do with the Jetta. I backed it in.
That's what you can do with the Jetta, guys. Right there. Do you have anything to say to the vlog to redeem yourself on why or how you couldn't do this?
Because it felt like it was gonna stall, so I kept my foot on the clutch.
You need a redemption, you need to redrive it, like what's good? You need to learn this thing better?
If needed or wanted, I could try again.
Okay, very good. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed her trying to learn how to drive the Bug-Eye. I thought it was gonna be funny. It definitely wasn't disappointing. I think it was pretty funny. Let me know down below if you guys enjoyed the video. If you wanna see her do other things like drive the BMW or the BRZ maybe one of these days, then we could do that. But me, Tasha, and the Bug-Eye, we're out. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace.